Wow, 700 popularity, that's pretty crazy, and it's going up. Today I'm going to show you a free Redbubble tool that you can use to find trending niches right now. So here we are on the website in question for the tool, and it's called Redbubble Popular Tags. I'll leave the link down below in the description, and if you look at this at first sight, it might look quite confusing and like it's going to be hard to use or understand, but it really isn't. If you just stick around a few minutes, you'll quickly learn how this works, and I'll also show you different ways on how to find good niches by using this tool. So if we scroll down, you get a bit of extra information right here of why this tool was designed and also what the data is. And this is very important. So basically, the popularity is a ranking that indicates how popular a certain search phrase is on Redbubble. And the lower the value, the more popular. This is updated on a week-to-week basis, so come back once a week and see new trending niches in a sense. And the popularity tag is this column on the left-hand side. As you can see, it goes up from 1 to, if we order this differently, 1 to 10,000. So it's showing the 10,000 most popular niches or tags. If we turn this back to best ones first, we've got hydro stickers on the first spot, which has a lot of results. What is that? Nearly 200,000 results. So yes, it's a trending term, but it's probably hard to enter that one. And basically you just have to look through until you see one with very low results. For example, here it's getting a bit lower, 3,000 and 4,000, and it's axolotl, I don't know how to pronounce it, stickers, or the actual broad niche of axolotl. And you can also then click on this and open the niche in a different tab. And as you can see, 4,000 results. So if you want to design something for this niche, then it might be a good idea to put it on stickers, because that seems to be one of the most popular search terms when people want to get a design like that. And coming back to this data field right here, the popularity change right here is quite important as well, or popularity delta. And this value basically shows you the variance in popularity for each tag. So the higher the number, or if it's green in a sense, that means it's gone up to the last week. It's more popular, more searches have been made for this tag since the week before. And if you have a minus or a red number right here, then the popularity is going down in a sense. So if we order it by this, so that the ones with the most change at the top, and stop gun violence is one of the first, and the results are 8,000, which is okay for Redbubble, but it's not amazing. One that looks quite good is this one right here, different types of dinosaurs. It has only got 800 results, which is very good actually for Redbubble. Obviously there's dinosaur designs, and there's not actually a lot that have these sort of types of dinosaurs on here. So maybe this would be a good niche to enter if you have the time to design this sort of stuff. You also have things like Stranger Things in here. So there's just a new season that's aired on Netflix of that show, and that's why it's gained a lot of popularity. I don't know if Stranger Things is in the Redbubble partner program. You might be able to submit work and then maybe have it approved for sale. But I mean, sometimes some of these niches here can be shows that are trademarked and not part of their partner program, and then you're not allowed to sell them. So you do have to watch out for that. But there's definitely some cool niches in between these that are not trademarked and that have gained a lot of popularity but have low results. And that's really what you want to look out for. A gain in popularity, relatively low results, not for it to be linked to a TV show or other trademarks. For example, Canada Gay Pride t-shirts, 600 results. That's not a lot, and it's gained a lot of popularity. I know it is Gay Pride Month, so that probably has to do with it, but rather than designing just a random generic Gay Pride t-shirt, maybe combine it with the Canadian flag, maple leaf design, and you probably have a better chance of picking up some sales for the overall Pride niche. One more thing you can do with this site that's actually really useful is evaluate niches. So let's say, for example, you want to design for a new niche of what's something more niche like parasailing. There's not even an entry for that, so that's not very popular on Redbubble. maybe let's look at something like sailing. That's a bit more broad, and that has a popularity tag of 6,000. There's also 60,000 results. So if I wanted to evaluate this niche, I'd probably say it's not a great one to enter, lots of competition and not as popular. But if we type in, for example, gaming, you'll notice right here it gives you different search terms for gaming. And one, for example, is this one right here, natural born gamer. Gaming is my DNA. So it's a specific t-shirt design that people are actually looking for, and it's got 2,000 popularity, which is actually quite decent in my opinion. And also what's really good is it's only got 400 results. So if we look at this one, this is a potential gaming niche that's a bit underserved. Might also be good to try and upload to other marketplaces, because people seem to really be looking for t-shirts specifically with this sort of phrase on there. And as we can see right here, a lot of the designs don't even look that amazing. Like, you can definitely improve some of this text and the graphics, make it look a bit more appealing. So there we go, we found a gaming niche that looks really good, and that's basically one of the processes you can do. You just typing a broad niche and try and find some sub niches, like fishing is my passion right here. That's another one that has, wow, 700 popularity. That's pretty crazy, and it's going up, and 1,000 results is really good for Redbubble, or really low, I should say. So if you wanted to make fishing designs, maybe start with that phrase. I hope you enjoyed this video and you have fun using this tool, and if you like free things, then you'll probably enjoy my most recent video where I show you a really cool website where you can find free fonts to use in your t-shirt designs.